Ngayon, it's August 24, 2024. It's a Saturday, and the time now is it's currently 4:47 na umaga, and right now I'm preparing. Nakaligo na ako, as you can see. Di pa nga ako nakabihis. Okay, so I'm gonna bihis real quick, and yeah, I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm done. Nakabihis na. Yun na rin yung gamit, yung bag na dadalhin ko for the day. And say hi, Coco. Nandito siya kasi sa yung lagi kong katabi matulog. Ito, nasa kama siya. So, ayun. We're ready. So, kakain na lang muna ako ng breakfast before we go. Because, time check, 5:07. Ang bilis ng oras. So, yeah. I'm gonna eat muna and I'll see you sa car. Siguro. Tara, let's do that. So at this point, pinaakyat na kami papuntang Yuchenko Auditorium para sa first part ng LPEP, which is the plenary session. The first half was all about the different Lasallian core values and prayers, as shown here.
Lasallians have faith in others. We believe in the gifts and talents of others. We trust and believe in their work and what they can do. Zeal for service answers the question, what do we do in response to our faith? My dear Lasallians, in De La Salle University, you will be given various opportunities. You will gain the necessary knowledge to understand the most complicated theories, principles, or problems. And all these is for you to better serve others. It involves working together with empathy and understanding, aligning our efforts towards common goals, and fostering a supportive environment which recognizes and dignifies our unique contributions to our shared mission. Strive to always find what is more meaningful through serving others, especially those who are in need. Animo?
Yes, sir!
Animo?
Yes, sir!
Hey! You have a wonderful journey, dear Froshies. Good morning and thank you very much.
And then we had the Holy Mass, but I wasn't able to capture a lot of clips kasi nga misa, pero this was during the homily. And after that, nasimula na yung mismong program proper. The hosts gave their introductions.
And this is LPEP 2K24. It serves as a venue for welcoming and introducing them to our Lasallian culture and values.
And of course, we were welcomed by the president of DLSU, together with the introduction of the current USG president and his welcoming speech.
We cannot forget that our school has its very own governing body.
As freshman students, you stand at the threshold of endless possibilities.
Finally, we proceeded with the roll calls of the different blocks right here.
ID1 to 4, are you ready? Let's make this just a little more interesting, Javi. How many colleges do we have here? What colleges are here right now? Is this CLA? Is this COP? College of Science?
Mali-mali ka naman, Tia. Of course, We have our friends at GCOE here today.
Let's hear your GCOE! GCOE.
The electrifying energy filled the auditorium as different blocks gave their own unique ways in showcasing their Lasallian spirit for the first time.
Animo! Lasal! Ready sila! Alright.
What's our next block kaya, Javi?
I think it's my friends over at Block 6. Block 6, where are you?
Block 6, let's hear your animal pride.
Now give us your cheer, Block 6.
1, 2, 3. Lasal! Are you ready for the BEST? Block 6, Mega J Chalaga! 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 Mega J Chalaga!
Let's hear your cheer, Block 8. Block 8, are you ready? I can hear you. Who's the best block? Block 8. 1, 2, 3.
Are you with me? Yeah! Parang you're not with me. One more time at GCOE. Where are you? Alright, last one guys. Animal!
This is our school. This is our home. This is De La Salle University. Your future begins here.
And before we wrap the first half of the plenary, tinuro sa amin yung pagkanta ng Alma Mater hymn together with the correct gestures ng hand.
Our Frosh is how to sing the alma mater hymn. Is that right?
Yes.
All right, so take it away. Alright, there you guys ready? Hail to thee, our alma mater. Hail, hail, hail.
And that ends the first part ng LPEP. May pahabol nga lang na short video sila kuya sa amin para raw sa posting mamaya sa Facebook.
It's gonna say this ID 124, Animal Lasal. Flashlights on there, woo! And count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's currently 11:31 and kakatapos lang ng lunch namin. Actually, ongoing yung lunch nila doon sa may Henry C. Grounds and yeah, tapos na ako kumain and nag-iikot-ikot tayo ngayon. Welcome to Lasal, guys. Oops, maabot. So far masaya naman yung experience ko dito sa De La Salle University. Napaka-energetic rin ng mga kapwa ko Frosties. So yeah, it's really obvious na excited na sila sa kanilang journey here sa De La Salle. Same goes for me and yeah, I can't wait to start my college journey here. Ayun nga, medyo mahaba-haba pa yung finish line but we are starting on a pretty good note. May free time kami ngayon para maglibot. So, ayan, I have the time to record this. And, yeah, I am praying na di malakas yung ulan ngayon. Kasi sa mga previous LPEP, malakas yung ulan eh. Lalo na yung si LA. Ewan ko nga kung magre-reskad pa nila yung crosswalk nila. But, yeah, we are here. Sana di umulan. Hanggang gabi pa kami dito. Bale, I went here mga 6:08-ish. And ninantay ko yung friend ko and sabay kami pumasok. Pero block 20 sila eh. I'm block 6. Okay, so nandito na yung one-to-one friend ko and we will look for her. Kasi I'm not familiar with the places here pa. Hi guys, I am here with
Tanya! Hi! Hello, hello. A day in my life as an engineering student in DLSU. Yeah!
Parehas na kami engineering.
Yes! Go!
ID number?
121.
124 ako. It's nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
So yung lagi kong pinapanood sa TikTok live.
We finally met na in real life.
Yun. We'll see you sa org nyo later.
Yeah, sa Frosh Walk. We'll be there.
Buti nga pumunta siya ngayon eh.
Yeah!
Alam nyo ba, may message na ako nung isang araw. Like, uy, guess what? Sabi ko, nasa Manila ka na. Bigla niyang sinabi na, I'm going to crosswalk on Saturday. Sabi, bagong gising ako nun eh. So, buti na lang sa Sabado ka pupunta kasi ayun din yung schedule na.
I sadya na GCOE, yung Frosh Walk day na I'm going. Yeah, I'm here now. Noon.
I will see you later.
See you. Bye.
Dapat ikaw maglagay ng previous sa
Sige, I'll see.
Okay.
Makita tayo. Bye!
Okay, now that we are done meeting my one-to-one friend, we'll continue to make ikot around here. And it's the famous Power Mac Center sa loob ng campus. Ang cool. There's a random Power Mac Center sa loob. Actually, hindi lang ata sa Lasal may Power Mac eh. I believe sa USD din meron, pero naon ko kung saan. And here is the Green Archer statue. Dati napapanood ko lang to sa mga UAAP series ng ABS-CBN eh. And I can't believe na nakatapak na rin ako sa wakas. It's 11:49, babalik na ako doon sa block ko since may pupuntahan kami. I don't know kung ayun yung kumustahan session or yung campus tour mo na mauuna. And yeah, it's amboning, it's raining, it's drizzling.
We also have a lot of different concerts here. That's where we like to hold them. And then over there, we have, it's also the Brothers Memorial Gardens, and we also have the thing called the aviary. So here is the St. LaSalle Hall, or as we like to call it, LS Hall for short. A lot of the offices for student-led organizations are situated, that including ours. And you can also find the clinic on the first floor, and also the student cooperative, which as we like to call it, Scoop. So that's where you guys can get your stuff printed, photocopied, and it comes in very handy during, of course, when school starts. And
isang energizer.
Okay, go.
Isang energizer muna. Wala si Animo, you say LaSalle. Animo!
LaSalle!
Baka saan pa? Animo!
LaSalle!
First block!
Block 6!
Perfect block!
Block 6!
Okay, perfect. So right now we are in the Henry C. Senior Hall. Okay, so on the second floor of this building is actually some of the most important offices for you guys, since you guys are just entering LaSalle. So we have the Enrollment Services Hub, so anything regarding enrollment. Second floor, we also have what we call the Learning Commons. So that's from the 6th to the 14th floor. You guys can only eat on the 6th floor, and we also have coffee project there. Coffee bean. Okay, so you can get cafe food, but that's the only floor that you can eat for the Learning Commons. And then anything above that, until the 14th floor, you guys can study. That's the library. So a lot of students like to spend their free time there because malamig siya. The one is called the St. Joseph Hall. Okay, it's the second oldest building on campus. And personally, I've had a few classes there. And you guys might also, they actually not only have classrooms, they also have laboratories. Kasi nga, it's for College of Science, so anything related to Hume Bio, yun yung yun yung building nyo. And then,
Stars yung t-shirt ni Ate Nicole.
go!
Guess a number lang.
Guess a number. Any number under the
2
sun.
million stars to. Ilang
2
stars?
million stars to.
Yung may alam dyan, mag-explain. Wag sabihin.
Any number, throw it out. Any number.
Go!
Okay,
Don't be
Sydney,
shy.
come on. Any number.
Ikaw, ilang stars yung t-shirt ni Nicole?
2.6 stars.
Tama.
Tama! Winner! Okay.
Bias to bias.
Yung water bottle ni Kuya Gerald. Go! Anybody? Gimme, go!
Kung yung camera ni, ano pangalan mo? Wesley is
7 stars.
7 stars. Ilang stars yung
Water
bag
bottle.
ni
Ay.
Travis?
Okay, go. Anybody?
Ilang stars?
Ilang stars? Ilang stars? Ikaw ilang stars?
10 stars.
Mali. It's actually 10.5 stars. Di mo nakikita mo
Sorry na.
So the building that we just passed through, that's actually Velasco Hall. That is your home building, GCOE, yes. So a fun fact about Velasco Hall, it is where the first solar-powered race car was built, Sinag, and it actually has one of the most important offices here in LaSalle on the 2nd floor, which is the Student Discipline Formation Office, or SDFO. So anything regarding good moral certificate, that's where you guys can get it. You see those stairs over there right behind you? Yes, so that's where you guys go to reach SDFO. Moment Hall, sorry. Okay, so that is where a lot of the food stalls are located. So we have Potato Corner.
Yes.
We have Bold. Bold sells acai bowls. We also have Black Stem Coffee. So anything. We also have like a stall that sells curry there, kebabs. So there's a lot of different variations there, and a lot of students go there. Pag nagmamadali na sila, they don't have time to go to the outside part of LaSalle, that's where they go.
The Homeway Hall is like a building which is our 24/6 building. So kung may mga projects kayo or kung nag-visit na kayo, pwede kayo mag-study sa Homeway Hall. Meron din, madami din matutulog doon. So kung matulog, okay, pwede kayo matulog doon ako magtulog.
The sports center is where a lot of you guys will have your PE classes. That's the only building that can accommodate your sports classes. So we have darts, we have swimming, we have volleyball. You guys are gonna have to do dance. That's also where the varsity teams of LaSalle practice. So you see Lady Spikers and also our basketball teams. Sometimes you'll see them there. And as for the last building naman is the
Andrew Gonzalez building.
Okay, so that building is a lot. It's a 22-story building, and majority of it is classroom. But you guys are also there. You guys will also go there for a lot of your classes. I'm pretty sure.
How would you rate your
First floor ng
How would I rate it? In the moment, it's kind of hot. I'd rate it siguro -1 because of the heat, but it's fine pa rin. Our lamps are really good. I love them, Ate Nicole and Kuya Jem or Jeram, Jeram. Parang sobrang lapit naman sa mukha ko niya. Sa classroom. Hello, say hi to the vlog. You're against the light, bro. Dito, that's why you said sunod. Dito.
I think this is cardio.
I love cardio.
cardio? Good, no?
So hot. The stairs is killing me.
So, yun nga guys, nasa may classroom na kami. At least may aircon na dito, so it was better. But, we use the stairs, so like, I'm drenched in sweat right now. Say hello. Hello. Look ko to eh. Pero ikaw na yun. Hindi, okay, dapat ikaw yung main character. Say hello to your vlog.
Enrico po.
Oh, Enrico,
sorry.
May isa nakilala from Batangas pa, tapos yung isa, Laguna. Yo, kakatapos lang ng kumustahan session namin ng Block 6 and yun, pinamigay na nila yung LED wristbands na gagamitin mamaya sa iwan na sa isang page. Ano sinasabi ko? Ayan, pinamigay na nila yung LED wristbands gagamitin mamaya sa parang mini animo concert yun mamayang gabi. So yeah, may pinupost din silang return rate ng bawat colleges. So sino yung college department na nag-return ng pinakamataas, may posting sila doon. So it's cool.
Parang may libro, tapos may form sa loob na
I-upload niya ba?
Okay. Each person
Anong
gets
mo?
one tote
Channel ba?
bag and
Yes.
Hello guys, so currently we're back here in Yuchenko Auditorium for the Animal Building concert, and yun nga, kanina nasa classroom lang kami together with my vlogs, and ayun, kamustahan session kami, like getting to know each other. Ang cool nga kasi ang cool kasi ang unique ng getting to know each other, kasi parang pina-form kami into circles, my inner circle and my outer circle, and parang mag-rotate yung nasa inner to the right para makilala yung susunod na person. And so
to teach you our school cheers and to help you feel the school pride during games, please welcome De La Salle University Animal Squad!
LSU! Animo Lasal! Okay, kakatapos lang na Animo concert. Nag-enjoy ka sa concert? Very nice. Anytime lalabas na kami. Ayan. Lalabas na nga. DLSU! Animo Lasal! Animo Lasal!
Get ready, Block 6! Let's go! Get ready, go back!
Sisigaw na rin ako. Sisigaw na rin ako.
Teleport sila. Okay, so kakatapos lang ng LPEP namin and I think it's a very pleasure experience. It's first day na Lasallian. Well, di pa ako enrolled but pupunta rin tayo dun. So, I'm gonna end this here. This has been episode 1 of Archer's Journal and we'll see you on the next episode.